Good afternoon. My name is Inza and I am ELT instructor in NICON Group of Colleges. Here I would warmly welcome all in this another event of Nicon Talent Hunt. I am pleased to inform you that Nicon is one of the leading chains of institute in Twin Cities, having its branches in Islamabad and Rawalpindi. Its academic heritage can be traced back since 1984. Nicon is proud to be pioneer institute in Twin Cities, offering international curriculum of Edexcel UK. Nicon has the honor to be the proud academic partner of British Council, which is the fastest growing multi-campus training institute in Rawalpindi and Islamabad. Nicon specializes in offering short and long-term IT, linguistic, technical and vocational, accounting and management science courses. Its educational heritage can be traced back since 1995. Nicon is considered to be the pioneer for introducing international qualification and certificate in Pakistan. Nicon has the honor to be the pioneer in offering HND qualification of Edexcel UK in Pakistan, which is also recognized by Higher Education Commission (HEC) as equivalent to 2 years bachelor's degree in relevant field. About the group, I would say that it's striving hard for arranging and ensuring comprehensive opportunities for the students related to their educational and personal development through its appropriate supportive learning environment. Thank you. I hope you will enjoy the event.